7 Best ATM Business Startup Resources. Starting an ATM business is a simple and rewarding side hustle, but it's not necessary to do it alone. Learn from experienced entrepreneurs to get started quickly and avoid mistakes. Resources are available for starting, funding, and maximizing profits. ATM business startups are accessible and don't require specific education, training, or experience. All you need is resourcefulness and knowledge to succeed. Accessible resources and tools can help you get started. 1. ATM Industry Resources. The ATM Industry Association, ATMIA, and the National ATM Council, NAC, are global nonprofit trade associations providing resources and support for the ATM industry. ATMIA offers guidance on starting businesses, compliance, and best practices, while NAC represents U.S. ATM operators. For localized support, seek other organizations and mentors. 2. ATM Equipment Suppliers. ATM equipment can be obtained from major manufacturers like Nautilus Hyosung, Genmega, and Triton, as well as ATM distributors like ATM Depot. They offer a wide range of new, used, and certified refurbished ATM equipment, including Hyosung, Genmega, Triton machines, Bitcoin sidecars, and crypto kiosks. ATM Depot can quote on any ATM machine and offers bundled services like transaction processing, installation, maintenance, and free ATM processing. 3. Training and educational resources. Online courses on ATM business startup basics can be found on websites like Udemy or Coursera. However, it's crucial to seek trusted mentors with industry experience. Joining networking groups or seeking insider tips can also be helpful. Avoid mentors who promise wealth, as average operators don't generate large profits. Instead, seek a mentor who can guide you through the process of owning and operating your first ATM machine. Noah Weider, founder of ATMDepot.com, created the ATM Business Roadmap to help local ATM business owners generate residual income. 4. Support and community resources. You can also find support online and in your own community. Reddit has an ATM business subreddit where you can connect with other operators for advice, support, and troubleshooting. There are a number of ATM business Facebook groups like ATM Depot's ATM Business Entrepreneurs. Even general entrepreneurial groups can be helpful. 5. Financial and accounting resources. Starting an ATM business requires funding from major credit cards, loans, bank lines of credit, ATM leasing, and equipment financing programs. To open an ATM business bank account, it is essential to establish a good relationship with your current bank and find suitable options. Accounting software tools like QuickBooks, Wave, or Xero can help manage finances and track profits. A remote monitoring dashboard, set up by your ATM processor, is the most important resource for monitoring ATM activity, making informed decisions about cash vaulting and addressing anomalies. It is crucial to find the most accommodating branches in your state. 6. Location resources. To identify ATM locations, visit your local Chamber of Commerce, Google Maps, and local business reviews. Popular locations, such as bars, restaurants, gas stations, and convenience stores, are likely to need ATM service. Google, Yelp, and other reviews can help determine if a business is suitable for your ATM. Local networking with business owners and managers can also yield best results. Remember to consider the reputation of the business before deciding on a location. 7. Marketing resources. Once you have your ATM equipment installed, consider promoting it and potentially placing more machines. Use revenue from the first machine for marketing. Print business cards and flyers for potential leads and referrals. Use services like Vistaprint or Canva to create marketing materials. Technology allows for digital sharing of details from smartphones. Build your brand through social media and add a link to your custom independent ATM deployer web page. ATM Depot's team can create affordable web designs for your local ATM business, adding it to the ATM provider's Near Me directory. If uncertainty and lack of information was holding you back from getting your ATM business startup off the ground, now you have a host of resources that say otherwise. There is no shortage of information, advice, and resources available to you. There are no secrets when it comes to starting an ATM business. At the end of the day, all you really need is a clear goal and tenacity. Thousands of people have been where you are and are eager to share their knowledge and advice. Contact ATM Depot with any questions you might have and get started today. Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.